The Supreme Court yesterday gave approval for the Central Vista project, which will give Lutyens Delhi a complete makeover. The court, in a split verdict of 2-1, said clearances given to the projects were valid. Yes, more.
Sarva Vighnachide Tasmai Ganadhipataye Namaha Gananantva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinam Upavashra.
साथियों, पुराने संसद भवन ने स्वतंत्रता के बाद के भारत को दिशा दी, तो नया भवन आत्मनिर्भर भारत के निर्माण का गवाह बनेगा.
A major vindication for Modi government. The Supreme Court has green flagged the ambitious Central Vista project that features a new parliament and a new look Rajpath. A 3-judge bench passed a majority verdict approving the clearances given by the Central Vista Committee and the Delhi Urban Art Commission. The petitioner had challenged the Central Vista project on several grounds. They had questioned the change in land use notification by the Delhi Development Authority and the absence of public hearing. The petitioners alleged the government had violated the DDA Act by not putting the detailed plans in public domain. They also argued Parliament and North-South block plans should have been cleared separately. The Supreme Court has rejected all the arguments made by the petitioners. The court in its judgment has said its jurisdiction over policy decisions is limited. The dissenting note came from Justice Sanjeev Khanna. He said the public was not properly consulted on the project. Justice Khanna added that the approval of the Heritage Conservation Committee should have been taken while creating the concept of the project.
There are various regulatory approvals which were in question here, including the change of land use, including the environment approval, and the decision of the Central Vista Committee on how the project should go ahead. All these decisions and regulatory approvals were in challenge. The majority has upheld them, but given certain directions. The majority also says that there would have to be approval of the Heritage Committee taken at an appropriate stage. That stage has not yet come in.
The Narendra Modi government has welcomed the judgment, while the Congress has called it a waste of money.
One of the gentlemen who made some comments to that effect had actually given an interview to The Hindu in 2012, very clearly stating that the current parliament building is inadequate, it's not functional, and we need a new building. This was in 2012, when a Congress government was in power at the centre as part of the UPA.
Central Vista is a case of misplaced priorities by an autocratic ruler trying to etch his names in the annals of history by a building based on brick and mortar. Modi ji, why do we need a new parliament, a new prime minister office, new offices of members of parliament in the middle of an economic recession where GDP is going down by -23% and there is all-round corona pandemic? Can you answer that at all?
The Prime Minister had led the groundbreaking event for the new parliament in December, days after the top court had temporarily stayed construction.
मौजूदा संसद भवन को बनाया गया था 100 साल पहले. इन 100 सालों में आवश्यकताओं के अनुरूप इसे कई बार रिपेयर और रेनोवेट किया जा चुका है. पर अब पुरानी
Now with the court giving its go-ahead, work will begin soon on the building, which will have a capacity to seat 1,600 MPs. It will be ready by August 2022 when India marks 75 years of independence.
नए और आत्मनिर्भर भारत के लिए जरूरत बन गया है.
Big win for the central government as the Supreme Court upholds the notifications and clearances given so far for the Central Vista Parliamentary Construction Project. But the Apex Court has also cautioned that the Heritage Conservation Committee must give its nod before any construction can start, with the government pushing for a quick construction of the Central Vista, particularly the Parliament, it is now for the centre to ensure that all clearances go through. However, petitioners still question the need for such a grand project. In New Delhi with cameraman Alok, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.